Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable clear soup. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables such as 2 medium carrots, 1 stalk of celery, and 1 small onion. Next, prepare a light, flavorful broth using 6 cups of water or vegetable stock. Finally, chop all your vegetables into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch cubes, ensuring they cook evenly and quickly. To begin cooking, gently sauté your aromatic vegetables, like onions and celery, in 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot for about 5 minutes until they soften. Then, pour in your 6 cups of broth and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow the soup to cook for approximately 15 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender crisp, retaining their vibrant color and texture. Now, let's enhance the flavor. Season your clear vegetable soup generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of depth, consider adding 1 bay leaf or a small pinch of dried thyme during the simmering process. Always taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, ensuring it perfectly suits your palate before serving. Your delicious clear vegetable soup is now ready to be served. Ladle it hot into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley for a touch of color and aroma. If you desire more substance, you can easily add 1/2 cup of cooked lentils or chickpeas. Feel free to experiment with various vegetable combinations, like adding spinach or zucchini, to discover new favorite flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.